Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to sort accounts on threads to see latest and oldest accounts. Let's have a look. First, open Threads app. Tap your profile icon on bottom right corner of the screen. Tap your followers count. Now, beside followers, tap following. Here you will see the sort button at the top right corner. Tap sort to select how you want to sort the accounts. Now you can choose latest first or earliest first. When you select latest first option, accounts that you have recently started following will appear at the top. Then when you select earliest first, account that you have been following from the start will up at the top. So these are the steps to sort accounts on threads to see latest and oldest accounts. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.